to myself Saurabh Patel back with the class 10th mathematics introduction to trigonometry. Why direct we jump to 8th chapter? Because all the chapter from other chapters which we learned in our 9th standard basics, so that all will be easy for you. So this is very new chapter for all of us. We didn't study it in our last year classes, so this is very new chapter for us. So we'll start with introduction to trigonometry. अब trigonometry नाम सुन के डर मत जाना. Trigonometry is very simple, easiest and interesting chapter in your whole class and textbook of mathematics. बाकी जब आप 11th standard में जाओगे तो trigonometry chapters like all the trigonometric related chapters, you have special branch of this separate trigonometry, like how chemistry, physics, biology is there. So there is one separate branch of trigonometry in your further classes. So trigonometry is a systematic study of a sides of a triangle. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री हमेशा मतलब रखता है राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल से. नो इक्विलैटरल, नो आइसोसेलेस, नो स्केलेन ट्राइंगल्स, ओनली इट्स रिलेटेड टू राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. सो 3 साइड्स होता है राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल में. वी लर्न इन आवर अर्लियर क्लासेस. सो दोज आर अपोजिट, एडजेसेंट एंड हाइपोटेनस. हाइपोटेनस साइड होता क्या है? दिस इज अ 90 डिग्री विच इज परपेंडिकुलर. अपोजिट टू दिस परपेंडिकुलर देयर इज अ longest side of a triangle. That is termed as hypotenuse. Longest side होता है hypotenuse. So, if we measure angle C in this trigonometric chapter, to measure any one acute angle, we learned basically that right angle triangle have one 90 degree angle, which is one 90 degree angle, and other two are acute angles. So, ये एक acute angle को measure करने के लिए here we use a special symbol called theta. Theta is a symbol. थीटा होता है एक acute angle को measure करने के लिए. To measure a specific acute angle, single acute angle, there is a unit called theta. थीटा बहुत important है, पूरे chapter में use होगा थीटा हमको. So if we measure with angle C with theta, then this will be opposite side. ये side क्या होता है? Opposite of theta. AB will be opposite side when we measure theta at angle C. अब बचा ये. This is known as adjacent. Adjacent और base भी हम कह सकते हैं ऐसे. If we measure theta at angle P, theta को हमने measure किया angle P पे. Obviously this will opposite of 90 degree. This will be hypotenuse. अब we have measured theta at angle P, so this will be our opposite side. So opposite of theta is opposite side always. So बचा PQ. PQ is known as adjacent side. जब भी किसी भी ये दो acute angles में जिस कोई भी angle को हम theta से measure करते हैं, उसका opposite हो जाता है उसका opposite angle हो जाता है opposite. We'll name it as opposite. And जो बचा नीचे वाला होता है adjacent होता है. Longest side will be hypotenuse always in all the right angle triangles. इधर 90 डिग्री से opposite होगा hypotenuse, theta से opposite होगा opposite side. ये बचा हमारा adjacent side. So these were the sides of a right angle triangle. Now on the basis of these sides we have trigonometric ratios. There are total 6 trigonometric ratios. We'll be learning here. So this much you have all are clear. Trigonometry is a systematic study of a sides relationship of sides of a triangle. 3 sides होते हैं opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. Now we'll write down this. Consider triangle ABC. अब ये वाले triangle में देखो opposite कौन से है? Angle AB. अब adjacent कौन से है? BC. Hypotenuse कौन सा है? AC. Now consider triangle PQR. Opposite कौन सा है? QR. And adjacent is PQ. And hypotenuse is PR. So these were some sides of a right angle triangle. On the basis of these sides, we'll learn trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios. जो हमने sides पढ़ा था, trigonometric ratios are based on those sides of a right angle triangle. So these are some ratios. We need to we need to understand these 3 ratios. These left 3 are reciprocal of this. सो फर्स्ट वन इज साइन थीटा. थीटा होता है मेजर ऑफ वन acute angle of a triangle. This consider as triangle 1 and this consider as triangle 2. So पहले हम triangle 1 को देखेंगे. If in question they give you to measure theta at angle C, then you need to measure theta at angle C. If they give measure theta at angle A, then you need to measure theta at angle A. A B C भी हो सकता है, P Q R हो सकता है, any values they may give you. X Y Z भी हो सकता है. So first ratio is sin theta. Sin theta पूरा sin नहीं लिखना होता है. We need to write only sin theta. Okay, sin theta. Sin theta होता है, the value of sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse. Sin theta का वैल्यू होता है opposite by hypotenuse. Consider triangle 1. तो पहले वाले ट्रायंगल का हम देखेंगे. sin theta का वैल्यू होता है opposite by hypotenuse. So पहले वाले ट्रायंगल में opposite कहाँ पे है? AB. So AB is opposite. Hypotenuse है AC. हुआ? The sin theta value of this triangle 1 is AB by AC. Now same with cosine theta. Sin theta हुआ. Now cosine theta. Cosine theta भी पूरा लिखना नहीं है. We need to write cos or theta. Now this cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos theta का वैल्यू होता है adjacent upon hypotenuse. अब adjacent कहाँ पे? ट्राइंगल 1 में. Here is our adjacent. BC is adjacent. So BC हुआ adjacent और hypotenuse हुआ again AC. Yes. Now tangent theta. Tangent theta को हम लिखते हैं tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan theta का वैल्यू होता है opposite by adjacent. So in the above first triangle, which is the opposite side? AB is the opposite side. Adjacent side है BC. So value of tan theta of triangle, consider triangle 1 is AB by BC. ये हुआ tan theta का value of triangle 1. Now cosecant. Cosecant को हम लिख सकते हैं cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to, cosec theta is a reciprocal of sin theta. मतलब opposite by hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse by opposite. So cosecant theta है reciprocal of sin theta. Sin theta का value होता है opposite by hypotenuse. If we reciprocal it will become hypotenuse by opposite. So cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So hypotenuse कहाँ पे? triangle 1 में hypotenuse is AC and opposite side is AB. Now you observe it. Sin theta का वैल्यू है AB by AC. Cos theta का वैल्यू है AC by AB. Reciprocal. So this was the reciprocal of sin theta. Now cosine का reciprocal होता है secant theta. Secant theta can also written as sec theta. This sec theta is a reciprocal of cosine theta. अब cosine theta का वैल्यू है adjacent by hypotenuse. If we reciprocal it, it will become hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent. So consider triangle 1 में where is hypotenuse? AC is the hypotenuse. Now adjacent कहाँ पे है? BC is the adjacent. Yes. Now see, examine. Cosine theta is BC by AC. Now check secant theta. Secant theta is AC by BC. Reciprocal term of this cosine theta is secant theta. Sin theta का reciprocal होता है cosecant theta. Cosine theta का reciprocal होता है secant theta. In short, sin theta's reciprocal is cosec theta. Cosine theta's reciprocal is secant theta. Now cotangent theta. We'll write down here cotangent theta. Cotangent theta can also be written as cot theta. हम इसे लिख सकते हैं cot theta. Cot theta का tan theta का वैल्यू होता है opposite by adjacent. तो reciprocal you will get the value of cot theta. इसका reciprocal होता है tan theta का reciprocal है adjacent by opposite. तो cot theta का वैल्यू होता है adjacent by opposite. adjacent by opposite. So consider triangle 1 में हम देख सकते हैं adjacent side is BC. ये हुआ BC upon opposite side है हमारा AB. So here we can see sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. ये ठहरे हमारे 3 trigonometric ratios which we need to remember. If we remember these, automatically we'll get these 3. Why? Because these 3 are the reciprocal of these 3. अब sin थीटा है हमारा, sin थीटा का पूर्ण नाम होता है sin थीटा, sin थीटा. So cos थीटा का पूर्ण नाम होता है cosine थीटा, tan tangent, cosec cosecant, sec secant, cot cotangent. Okay, these were the 6 trigonometric ratio. अब sin थीटा का वैल्यू होता है अपोजिट बाय हाइपोटेनस. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिमेंबर. और थीटा इज अ टर्म थ्रू विच वी मेजर ओनली वन एक्यूट एंगल ऑफ अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. अब थीटा का वैल्यू दिया नहीं है, लाइक कंसिडर दी थीटा एट स्पेसिफिक एंगल सी और एंगल ए. अब नहीं दिया होगा तो यू कैन इट इज योर विश, यू कैन टेक हियर आल्सो, यू कैन टेक और एल्स यू कैन टेक हियर आल्सो. If in the question they give measure the angle theta, measure the theta at angle A, you need to take theta at here only. Okay. If they give measure theta at angle C, you need to measure theta at angle C only. If they didn't give the value of theta where you need to measure, you can measure anywhere on the 2 acute angles. So sin theta का value होता है opposite upon hypotenuse. This is very important to remember these values. And cosine's value is adjacent by hypotenuse. Cosecant का वैल्यू होता है adjacent by hypotenuse. Tangent का वैल्यू होता है opposite by adjacent. और cosecant का वैल्यू होता है hypotenuse by opposite. Secant का वैल्यू होता है hypotenuse by adjacent. Cot का वैल्यू होता है adjacent by opposite. These were some trigonometric ratios. आपका 8.1 exercise, it is totally dependent on these trigonometric ratios. And here one more thing, in our 8th standard we learned Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. This Pythagoras theorem, इस वाले चैप्टर में अगर Pythagoras theorem नहीं आता है आपको, please learn this Pythagoras theorem. Why? Because whole chapter is dependent on this Pythagoras theorem. Hence, it's very important. So, sorry. We'll see exercise 8.1.